Good morning, students. In our previous lectures, we studied comparison with one to more than one, and here this type of example we studied. It means in superlative degree, one of the used later on while converting same example into the positive degree, we have to use very few. Then in comparative degree, many other. This kind of example are also one to more than one, but there was one change. The kind of noun form was used there, that was in plural. Here, in next example, we will have some different example. Here also comparison is done with one to more than one, but some changes are there. If we will solve the examples, then you will come to know what kind of examples are there. So let's start with examples. So the first example is America is the richest country in the world. See the example. America is the richest country in the world. Here in earlier, in first time, what we studied? We studied here like one of the was used and then after the country, the kind of noun form was there that was in the plural. Their examples were countries, but here only country because one of the is not used. Now, just see. We are converting same example now into the positive degree. Okay. When we are comparing or we were using one of the in superlative, so then we were beginning our sentence with very few. Here you have to start your sentence with no other. Then when comparative degree you are using many other. Instead of that, in comparative degree when we are converting without one of the, we have to use any other. Okay, see the example. Here we are solving positive degree. So then no other we have to take first. Then as we are solving the same method, we have to apply here. After the adjective form, remaining part we have to take here. Okay. No other country in the world. No other country in the world. In that example, what we did, here was is, then we were converting that is into the are. Why? Because the kind of noun form was there that was becoming plural there. Here it's a remaining singular. That's why we have to keep that is as it is. No other country in the world is as rich as America. This is your answer. What kind of changes we are just coming to know from this? Same changes we have to remember. Now, just see, come to the comparative degree. Here is only one change. We were using many other, instead of that only we have to use any other. That's all. Then see, America is richer than any other country in the world. This is your answer. Okay. So then we were using many other, instead of that we have used here just any other. That's it. Okay. Now next example I am giving you to solve. Second example from here. Write down. Mumbai city is the smallest district in Maharashtra. See the example. Mumbai city is the smallest district in Maharashtra. So here, same kind of example we got here. Now we have to solve. Okay, so the first one. If you want to guess your answer, so you can do one thing. You just press the pause button and then again you continue the same. Because you know how to solve it. In positive degree we are using no other, and in comparative degree we have to use any other. You can pause it, then you can, after writing your answer, you can just see whatever examples are given there. Now see, we are converting same example into the positive degree. Then what the answer? No other district in Maharashtra is as small as Mumbai city. Okay, in this way we have to solve it. Then come to the next. Now we are converting our example into the comparative degree. See, Mumbai city is smaller than. Now see the change. Mumbai city is smaller than any other district in Maharashtra. Okay, in this way, see the change. Any other. We were using many other in that examples. Now here we are using any other. Okay, so the last example I am giving you this side. This is the third example. English is the easiest subject. English is the easiest subject in the 10th standard. See, now same changes we have to do and you have to solve it. Now just we will convert into the positive degree. We have to start our sentence with no other. See, no other subject in the 10th standard is as easy as English. Okay, see. So then sentence we have started with no other, then again here adjective form as easy as. Here obviously it was the superlative, that's why easiest. And when we are converting this example into the comparative, so then there will be the easier. Okay, see. Comparative degree. English is easier than any other subject in the 10th standard. In this way we have to solve it. Certain examples I'll give you in a mixed manner. It means those examples will be belonging to the comparison with 1-to-1, comparison with 1 to more than 1. Those all the examples I am going to give you on group. So you have to just note down those examples. At the same time you have to write down the answers as well. Okay, thank you.